Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So here's the model map here. So Winter Storm Izzy is expected to bring 2 feet of snow in some areas. Snow is going to be very heavy.
I know it was stupid for me to go off alone, but this could be the break we needed.
This storm is supposed to bring 2 feet of snow into the area. 2 feet of snow. Major winter storm is going to happen here. The low is going to be here. Heavy snow is going to form. And the models keep showing an active pattern. And then the potential for a bigger storm is coming. So the models are really coming into fruition that a major winter storm, Blockbuster snowstorm is coming. 2 feet of snowfall could be expected with this winter storm. A 988 millibar low pressure system is streaming to a 98.7 low pressure system. Significant ice storm is possible in parts of Raleigh, Virginia. It starts out as rain there. But this storm, let's check out the CMC model.
I did it, Dad.
This storm is on the CMC is really, there's that ice potential. But guess what? That ice, it immediately changed back to snow. It really doesn't hit us, really. This storm is so extreme that there's that ice in the snow, but the GFS is showing this. And the CMC a 985 low pressure system? What? Yeah.
I beat her. Okay?
A 988 low pressure system, a 983 low pressure system. It's expected to become a balm cyclone. By the way, this storm is going to be very impactful, so very heavy snowfall expected. Okay? These snow regions.
Stop bringing up Mom.
I didn't.
Don't passive aggressive me.
Snow timing, okay? See the snow timing, it's snow spreads in these areas, okay? There's that area, there's that swath of 6 to 12, 8 to 12. There's some isolated pockets in here that could see 12 to 18 inches, okay? We're not going to see this lady again, okay? There's that fresh cold air that's going to develop. You can see that low pressure out to sea, moisture coming in. Where that all sets up is where the heaviest snowfall will likely fall. Here's the next story of this storm, okay? This is a big ice storm, okay? This is something else that we gotta watch out for. This storm is also likely to produce significant... Oh, new just came out a minute ago. Okay, something just came out a minute ago. Okay, new update from the storm, 3 p.m., okay? 3 p.m. Okay, this is the new update. Let's check it out.
What the hell are we doing just standing here?
Oh, yo. Here we go. Here's this big update. So, it says projected to bring a general 12 to 18 inches of snow from only small. Wow. Look at this. We got that area of snowfall. The snow timings. Holy this storm is no longer just any winter storm, people. This is a outright blizzard. Okay, blizzard warnings will be issued for this storm. This is blizzard storm Izzy. Okay, this storm could be... There's the potential for blizzard-like conditions. This storm is no freaking joke. This storm is going to be dangerous. It's going to be bad. it's going to be crazy.
Is that it, Rick?
Wind storm gusts up to 80 miles per hour. Blowing snow is likely. Blizzard-like conditions are included. Heavy snow combination with strong winds as well. So this said blizzard warnings will be also issued. A blizzard warning or winter storm warning are going to be issued for blowing snow. 1 to 3 inch per hour snowfall rates could be. Even blizzard-like conditions could form here. Be aware, this storm is no joke. I already posted a video, but we really can't see it. But this update is big. Blizzard-like conditions are likely with this Blockbuster snowstorm. It's not just a snowstorm anymore. It's even going to produce severe weather. Okay, this storm is no joke. Significant ice, strong winds, and the likelihood of whiteout conditions. Snow rates up to 1 inch an hour. This could be the blizzard of 2022. This is a storm. We haven't seen this much snow since Winter Storm Jonas back in 2016. I was here during that time. So, ice and freeze could be, but the wind creates a whole other set of problems. Blizzard conditions are going to happen. There could be 12 to 18 inches of snow, not because it's coming down or accumulating, because it's going to come in drifts. I'm really sorry. Storm max of 40 inches of freaking snow. Okay, this is insanity. Okay, this is absolutely insanity. So that's why I think we're gonna get 12 to 18, because it ain't because it's gonna be 12 when it accumulates, but when the snow drifts and blows, it could get up as high as those cars outside. Could get up as of over a foot because of these winds. It's not because of the snow in this situation. It's because of these strong blowing winds. They're talking wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour, along with heavy snow. So what do you get? A blizzard. And you could get, it says it right here too. Snow is likely to fall during a storm. Appalachian foot or more could pile up. Local storm max of 40 inches of snow. Conditions will snow, increasing winds will lead to significant blowing and drifting snow. So yes, this could potentially be the blizzard of 2022. Just letting you know. Winter storm Izzy is going to be major. It's going to be bad. And it's going to be an all-out blizzard. And an all-out significant ice storm and a severe weather event is also possible. So this storm is no joke. Here it is. On the southeastern edge of the storm, thunderstorms may become strong enough to bring a risk of severe weather that occurs from Florida to the coastal area, perhaps Long Island and New York and eastern New England. Woo! This storm is no joke. You're getting freezing rain, snow, and severe storms. This storm is not a joke. Blizzard conditions are likely to develop. So this storm is getting more extreme by the hour. Heavy snow, blizzard conditions. I just should put a red up here. Blizzard conditions in this area. If you live in Pittsburgh, if you live in Lexington, if you live in Memphis, if you live in Nashville, Tennessee, be ready. If you're in Fayette County, if you're in Charleston, West Virginia, be ready for an absolute whiteout. That's why there's a chance for 12 to 18 inches of snow here, because of the wind, because how this storm is coming in. It's going to be nasty, let me tell you. It's going to be a big wind threat over here. You could see how crazy this is. It's just insanity, bro. This storm, we are going to be talking about this over the next couple hours. This is my second video. This is where I really get into details with this storm, okay? So this is not just a snowstorm. They should not call it a snowstorm. They should put incoming blizzard and ice to pummel the eastern U.S. That's what the name should be. This is a blizzard. This is not a snowstorm. This is a blizzard. There's that winter storm watch will be issued for blowing snow, winter storm warning. Then there will likely be blizzard warnings along the Pittsburgh area, Allegheny Mountains, the ridges of Fayette, even Fayette County could be under blizzard warnings because of this storm. Because blizzard warnings are likely to actually be in place. Significant blowing and drifting means an all-out blizzard with this storm. So this is, before it was just a normal foot of snowstorm. Now it's not. It's more like a blizzard than a snowstorm, people. This is a blizzard. This storm is expected to bring blizzard-like conditions. There could be snow rates up to 1 inch an hour with this storm. There's a swath of 6 to 12 area, but there's isolated amounts of 12 to 18. There could be even higher amounts, up to 40 inches of snow. Okay? There could be isolated amounts up to 40 inches of snowfall. Why? Because of the wind gust that could become. This is way. So a blizzard warnings are going to be issued for this part of the area. You see Fayette here? Blizzard warnings are going to be issued for this part of PA. This storm's going to strengthen. The snow is going to blow. The snow is going to be bad. And it's going to be extreme. So Winter Storm Izzy is likely to become a major snowstorm plus a major blizzard at the same time. This is a snowstorm. It's not just any snowstorm. We had the blizzard of 2016 when Jonas hit. But now, we got Izzy to become an all-powerful snowstorm. This is a significant winter storm. This is significant enough to consider not a snowstorm, but a blizzard. You got it right. This storm has become what you call a blizzard. So blizzard warnings are likely to be issued with this storm. Significant ice storm warnings are going to be issued for Charlotte, DC, and New York City. Could be in the path of significant winds, severe weather, severe thunderstorms, ice, snow. You're going to get everything. You're going to get all kinds of weather in New York City. You're going to get all kinds of weather. This storm is no joke. Look at the weather models. This storm is no joke at all. This storm ain't playing games. The way these models are looking. This is an all-out blizzard, okay? This storm is a Blockbuster snowstorm. They're calling for wind gusts over 80 miles an hour, okay? So there is exactly what I'm trying to say here. That a blizzard is expected this weekend. Before I was classifying it as a snowstorm. But now we got the winds on top of the snow. Sorry. I'm saying that a blizzard is coming with this storm, okay? This storm is very bad. I didn't know it was going to get this bad, but the chance of the biggest snowstorm in years is increasing. I haven't seen snow like this since 2014. Since 2014 when Winter Storm Nemo hit the area. You got it, man. We are back into Blockbuster snowstorm neighborhood, but we're also back to blizzard neighborhood. This storm is expected to become an all-out blizzard. This is why we're calling this the blizzard of 2022 potentially. Snow could be over cars. If you're in the higher elevations, it's going to be difficult to travel. The roads are going to be snow covered. It's going to snow like you've never seen it before. This storm is no joke. It's going to be the biggest snowstorm since 2016. And get ready for this. Get ready for this. This storm is an all-out blizzard. It's no joke. It's nothing to mess around with. This is nothing to mess around with, okay? The models are not messing around with this storm, okay? This storm is nothing to be... This is going to be an all-out blizzard and significant ice storm. This storm is going to be historic, okay? I didn't put a big description below the first video, but on this video, we're going to put an absolutely humongous description on this video. This is going to be the hugest... This is going to be the hugest discussion ever, okay? This is going to be one of the biggest instruction videos on YouTube right now. People need to be on high alert for blizzard warnings. I say blizzard conditions are coming because with these winds that if they gust over, I know there's not going to be blizzard. If they don't happen there won't be blizzard. But in a zone, though, with those wind gusts up to 80 miles an hour, 40 inches of snow at the same time, yeah, you're going to see an all-out blizzard. You just are, okay? You're just going to see that. You're going to see that. You're just going to see that happen. Okay, those snowfall rates. That snowfall is going to be... This snowfall is going to be outrageous.
Think this will work?
Over a foot of snow is expected with this storm.
What are you two doing?
So this storm is no joke whatsoever. This storm is just no joke at all.
Where's Beth?
This is likely going to be a 20-minute video because of... Let's read this. Coastal flooding, especially high tide, travel difficulties, reduced visibility due to the snow. Blizzard conditions are expected. Local storm max of 80 miles an hour. An all-out blizzard is expected with this storm. And right now it's snowing, but it ain't going to be as bad as it's going to be on Sunday, boy. The snow we're getting today is a pre-maker to what we're going to get on Sunday and Monday. So don't look and get freaked out by the snow today. Get freaked out by the snow this Sunday and Monday. Because this what we're getting outside right now with the snow is just a know what's ahead. That's what this is. It's telling you what's ahead. Because this storm is extremely insane. This storm is one of the biggest storms since 2014 alone. This storm could be historic. I might be overhyping this or not, but it may actually become the biggest snowstorm in years to hit the area. And also with this potential for that all-out blizzard threat, it's already the blizzard risk of a blizzard. It was a snowstorm, but the chances that it's going to become an all-out blizzard are just on the rise here. It went from 0 to 100 hours. If they're calling for these wind gusts, then there's a possibility. If you live in these purple areas, even us here, if you live in these purple areas, and you're getting heavy snow, you're likely going to see a blizzard to occur. You're going to see it. You're going to see whiteout conditions. You're going to see it. So it's just a matter of time. It's just how it is. This blizzard, it's coming, and it's not going to be a joke. Then lake effect snow comes in. To add all the snow totals up, boom, you get over 20 inches of snow. So, be ready for one of the biggest snowstorms in years. Just to let you know. And possibly one of the potentialist biggest snowstorms and the potential for an all-out blizzard with this. This is not just your typical snowstorm you're used to with just heavy snow and feet of snow. This is more than just a snowstorm. This is what you call an all-out blizzard event. And I don't want that 20. This is an event like no other, people.
And I'm sorry.
So this storm is no joke. Be aware.